Imagine you're running a small business. You've just landed a big order, but you need the funds ASAP to purchase materials and meet your deadline. What do? Tide is a popular financial app that promises to streamline business finances. But does it offer the lightning-fast payments you need to keep your business running smoothly? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Tide's payment options. Tide offers a variety of payment options, including direct debit, a convenient way to collect payments from your customers on a recurring basis. Card payments, accept payments from customers using their debit or credit cards. Bank transfers, send or receive money directly to or from your bank account. Faster payments, the holy grail for businesses. Faster payments are crucial for businesses because they improve cash flow. By receiving payments quickly, you can avoid late fees and penalties. Enhance customer satisfaction. Customers appreciate fast and efficient payments. Enable faster decision-making. Having access to funds quickly can help you seize opportunities and respond to challenges. Tide's faster payment capabilities. While Tide doesn't explicitly advertise faster payments, it does offer features that can contribute to quicker transactions. Instant bank transfers. In many cases, bank transfers can be processed instantly or within a few hours. Integration with payment gateways. Tide can be integrated with popular payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, which often offer fast payment processing. Mobile app convenience. The Tide app allows you to manage your finances on the go, making it easy to send and receive payments. Real-world examples and user experiences. To get a better understanding of Tide's faster payment capabilities, let's hear from real business owners who have used the app. Case Study 1. A small e-commerce business owner shares how Tide's instant bank transfers help them avoid late fees on a large order. Case Study 2. A freelancer discusses how Tide's integration with PayPal has streamlined their payment process and improved their cash flow. User testimonials. Collect testimonials from Tide users who have experienced fast payment processing. Factors affecting payment speed. While Tide offers features that can contribute to faster payments, several factors can influence the actual speed of transactions. Bank processing times. The speed of payment processing can vary depending on the policies and procedures of the banks involved. Payment method. Some payment methods, such as wire transfers, may take longer to process than others. Transaction volume. During peak times, payment processing may be slower due to increased demand. Comparing Tide to other financial apps. To provide a more comprehensive comparison, let's examine how Tide stacks up against other popular financial apps in terms of faster payment capabilities. Revolut, known for its fast international transfers and currency exchange. Monzo offers instant bank transfers and a focus on customer experience. Starling Bank provides a variety of payment options and a user-friendly interface. While Tide doesn't explicitly advertise faster payments, it offers features that can contribute to quicker transactions. By understanding Tide's payment options, factors affecting payment speed, and comparing it to other financial apps, you can make an informed decision about whether Tide is the right choice for your business's payment needs. If you're looking for a financial app that can help you streamline your business finances and potentially improve your payment speed, Tide might be worth considering. Visit their website or download their app to learn more and sign up. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.